Let's get our island vibes on with this uplifting groove. Thank you for joining my tutorial. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because it really helps me bring you more content that will inspire you. I'm using an Ayasa instrument in the key of D chord. If you have a different scale, it will just sound a little bit different. Let's dive in. We're going to start off by striking note 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with our right hand thumb. And then we are going to play a chord involving the notes 5 with our right hand thumb, 7 with our right hand finger, and 9 with our left hand finger. Great job. Let's do this again. However, we are going to play the chord twice, like this. Well done. Now we are going to add a crack, which is basically going to act as our snare. However, we play it with our knuckle on the side of the interstitial. Great job. We're going to play this twice. However, on the second time, we are not going to play the first note and we're only going to play the chord once, like this. Let's slow this down a little bit so you can really get the gist of what I'm playing. Five, chord, chord, crack, chord, 5, chord, chord, crack, chord. Now let's do the same thing with notes 3, 5, and 7. However, we're only going to do it once. So twice with the first chord, once with the second chord, and then once again with the third chord that I'll show you in a second. So it goes 2, 1. Then we do the same thing with notes 4, 6, and 8. Then back to the beginning. Let's play it. Again. Amazing. Let's repeat that so that you can really lock this groove in. Great job everybody. Now it is time for the final stage of this tutorial, being a fill. How we are going to play this fill is we're going to do a scale from note 1 all the way up to note 7, which will sound like this. But there's a catch, and that catch is we are going to swing this scale. How that'll sound is like this. Let's do this again. All this is basically doing is we're playing note 1 and then playing note 2 and 3 really close together, 4 and 5 really close together, and then 6 and 7 really close together. Great job. Let's add this. We're going to put this right after chord 2. We're going to play what I originally taught you, chord 1, chord 2, and then chord 3. And then on the second time, we're going to go chord 1, chord 2, fill. And then we're going to repeat it like this. Let's play. Great job everybody. I really hope this helps you on your handpan journey, and I'll see you in the next video.